Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, I hope you all are fine. Now your science class time, week 8, chapter Our Earth in the Space. My dear student, we already discussed this chapter in previous class. Today our assignment is answer the following question. Your first question is, what is weathering? Name some factor of weathering. My dear student, we discussed this topic in previous lecture. You write the answer of this question. Due to severe natural climates, the rocks on the surface of the earth are breaking continuously but slowly. This process is called the weathering. Factors of the weathering. Important factors of weathering are sun, winds, rain, flowing water, earthquake, volcanic eruption. Okay, my dear student? And your next question in your assignment is, what is acid rain? What are its effects on the environment? You write the answer of this question. Certain acidic materials are added to the atmosphere due to air pollution. These acidic materials mix with rain to make it acidic. Acid rain expedites the process of weathering. It kills trees in the forest. It makes beautiful building dull. Okay. Now move the next question of your assignment. And next question is, how do seasons change on the earth? And answer is, our earth not only rotates about its axis, but it also moves around the sun in its elliptical orbit. This motion of the earth around the sun is called orbital motion. Season change due to the orbital motion of the earth and the tilt of its axis. Okay, my dear student, your next and the last question of your assignment is, write any 6 factor of weathering. And answer is factor of weathering. Number 1, sun. The sun heat rocks to expand. Number 2, winds. Strong winds cause erosion of the rocks. Number 3, rains. Rain also play an important role in the weathering of rocks. In mountainous region, the rainwater freeze in the crack of rocks. Next one is flowing water. Flowing water pass through the rocks, wear away the rocks and slowly change them into small piece of stone, sand and soil. Okay. Next one is earthquake. Another case of weathering of the surface of the earth is earthquake. Earthquake change the surface of the earth very quickly. And the last one is volcanic eruption. In certain area of the earth, volcanoes emit lava which badly ruins the surrounding area. Okay, my dear student, I hope you all are understand your work of your assignment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.